वो केबी फाइल को छोटा करने के लिए वो कौन सा एडिटर यूज करे वो चीज खाली, बाकी
Okay.
मैंने सब कर लिया वो वीडियोस देख के यूट्यूब में।
Okay. What about you, Pradeep?
Videos देखा मैंने but I did not practice on it.
Okay, so actually we will have to create that app, because as we are going to create invoice app, object will be creating invoice object, and that object we will be linking with this app. So we will have to create this application first. So Pradeep, your application, your browser is supporting now. Are you able to access Salesforce? Are you able to share your
Salesforce,
screen?
I'm able to log in Salesforce, but this team meeting is not able to, still having the same issue.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay,
तो
so
वर्ड
what we will
एक्टिवेशन
do?
फेल्ड है,
Okay, so
तुमको
what
रिन्यू
we will
करना
do
पड़ेगा।
is,
प्रदीप या वर्ड एक्टिवेशन इज फेल्ड, तो तुमको रिन्यू
Yeah,
करना
yeah.
होगा।
वही problem.
okay, so what can you do in that case?
ई लाइसेंस आई टू हैव वर्ड मेरे पास।
You log in, can you not log in with your office credential to your personal app? It's not supporting?
Office, we laptop is I'm not taking to home actually.
Oh, okay, okay,
It's,
अलाउड नहीं है ऑफिस लैपटॉप।
okay. Okay, so what we will do, we will start with that exercise again, and you guys go along with me. Okay, so let's go to salesforce.com. Let's log in. You guys are able to see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
yes.
let's log in. Okay, so this is the app we have created, and here we are. Okay, it's showing. So how we did is, we said like, here you see we are getting this kind of a little app, but we are not doing with that. What we did is, we went here and we searched into setup. So actually, why we are not doing from here? Because if you'll click on this, you see,
Yeah,
it will
this
just
one.
show you what it's showing. It will just, it's quick way of creating, but you will not be able to configure your app completely. So what we did is, we went into setup, and from there we searched to app, and from here into create app, we clicked on to this create app, and here we had this button. So the quick start will
Again will
pop up the same,
same one.
yeah, it will pop up the same this again. So what we can do is, we'll just create new app and we'll click on this. So just let me know if you guys are following along with me. So from here we will select the custom app. We are creating a custom app, and here you can give the name. Okay, so this is my app label, like this is what it will show, and this is what application name. So okay, here creating, you can just give the description for this app, like okay, okay. Then once this is done, let me know if you guys are done with this. Once if you have chosen your app and this, then you'll have, once you are done, let me know, then we'll move forward.
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah, we are done.
Okay, so let's go to next. And here
Okay.
we have to insert an image. So when you'll click on this insert image, here in this folder location, we have two folders. One is my personal document, and then there is this logo. In my logo, I have created one folder, logo, and inside that I have added this image. Okay,
Hmm.
so from where it is coming, these are my documents. Okay, so image
Documents.
is one of the document which you will have to create. To create it, what you can do is you can just
Add
right click onto this
documents.
because we don't
Document.
want to cancel this operation. So we'll just right click and we will open
New
it into
tab.
new window.
Window.
Yeah, Pradeep, you're saying something?
No, no.
Or Rahul, I think Rahul was saying something.
No, many I
Okay,
did all those things. The only thing was that I couldn't convert that image into I
okay,
mean shorter 20 KB. That's it.
okay, get it.
That's why I stuck here.
Okay, got it. Okay, so here we'll see. So here we have, you see, here we are into the document. So how we came into document is from when you open that, we'll come on to this all tabs. In the all tabs, we have the documents. You can search with Control F, or you can just scroll down and in the D. So it is arranged in alphabetical order. So here you will be seeing documents. So when you click on this documents, you will be seeing my personal documents. So here what you can do, here you are creating a logo. So you want your documents to be sorted. So for that, what you want, you can create a new folder. As I have already created a new folder with the logo, I will not be doing it again, but when you'll click on this to this new folder, here you will be seeing these uh, a new folder creation page. So on this page, you will see you have this folder edit button. Okay, so this folder edit, you'll see like you can edit the folder permission and all, even the name you can edit whenever it's created, but it's a new folder, so we don't have this edit button option. So you can see like in this column, save and cancel, two buttons are there. Then document folder label, like what, how you want to show your document. So I want it to be recognized as logo. You can also give it the same name if you want. Then क्या हुआ राहुल, नींद आ रही है क्या?
हाँ खाना खाना भी
Then uh, the access which you want to give for this folder. So let's say read only for this. Yeah, okay. And then this folder is accessible from all the users. This one you can choose. Or if you want this folder to be hidden from all the users, you can do like if you are doing some personal stuff on this onto this folder, then it will be hidden. Then if you want this folder to be accessible by some users also, then you can select with this. But with this exercise, we will be going with the first radio button. And then here you have this available for sharing. So this will come when you'll select this public group and all roles and responsibility. But as we are selecting this, after this, you can just click on the save button. After you will click on the save button, you will have a new folder here. Okay, so once you'll have a new folder, logo, I mean, once you'll come back here, logo, just let me know once you have the new folder created and you are here.
yeah folder create I created that folder but वो logo I couldn't convert it into 20 KB. तो
Okay,
कौन
so
सा एडिटर
Pradeep,
यूज करूं आई मीन आपने जो भेजा था ना वो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में वो 40 केबी का है तो
okay.
हाउ आई शुड गेट इट स्मॉलर इन साइज इनटू 20 केबी शायद
Yes,
वो
yes,
चीज
yes,
वो
yes.
चीज
समझ
आई
गया,
वाज
समझ गया। तो वो प्रदीप के लिए भी, तो वो भी प्रदीप भी क्रिएट कर लियो क्या ये प्रदीप ये फोल्डर?
नहीं, अभी मैं नहीं किया हूँ, वही कर रहा हूँ।
Okay. So just create this folder and then we will move forward. If you are having any problem, let us know. As you're not able to share your screen, so we'll try to resolve verbally.
Yeah, so there was smaller size in that.
Have you created, Pradeep?
I'm inserting logo actually, but size is
Oh,
more
I have
than.
shared this. No, okay, I'm sorry. So this is the one which you guys will have to
Hmm.
use.
Mhm.
Okay. So this is, I have created this logo which I use for Skill Advancement Academy. So this is just for, what is the size of this? Okay, here we cannot, but it's only, I think, 11 KB or something. So you guys can download it from there. And so you are done, right? Uh,
Yes, we can move forward.
okay,
Yeah, we
so
can move now.
okay, so then the file size for a custom app logo must be smaller than 20 KB. So it is highlighting here. Salesforce.com logo is about 3 KB. Okay, it's also saying like, oh, no, this logo, it is saying like this logo is of size 3 KB only.
3 kb. Acha.
Okay. To upload an image file, add a new document to the Documents tab. Image dimension should be maximum of 300 pixels wide, 555 pixel high for the best result. Larger images will be resized and may appear distorted. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll insert an image, we'll click on this, and here you will be able to see this. So once you guys download and
Hmm.
created your document, let me know. Then we will just add it here like this.
It's taking time actually. I don't have WhatsApp in my system, so I'm just emailing this image and downloading.
Okay, let me email it to you.
Yeah, yeah, I already emailed from WhatsApp.
Okay, all right
Just
then.
okay, we can.
So Rahul, you have created the document, have added this.
Yeah.
Okay, so as you guys are done, we will go and next. Okay, so here you will have to add this available tabs. So in this, you can add tabs like account and all. What I will do is I will just go into skill advancement here. And here you can add these tabs.
Okay.
Okay. In this, you can select these tabs for yourself.
हेलो हेलो
Hmm.
रजत भैया कुछ
Okay.
बोल रहे हैं क्या?
You are on mute there. Not sure if you're saying something.
हाँ म्यूट में है.
Sorry,
But
have you guys added these?
yeah, yeah. It's,
Yeah.
so
Okay, so once you have added these, so I'm only adding account maybe. Okay, chatter and people maybe understand. So let me, oh man, what happened? I will add chatter and people, chatter, people. Okay, and this is the default landing page. Okay, so whenever you will, so okay, so there are different tabs you see into this application. So whenever you will land onto your application, on which tab you want to land, like you want to land on chatter, or you want to land on people, or you want to land on the home. So here you can configure with that. I'll just keep the default setting as home. Then we can go to next. These are the profiles. Okay, So these are the profile to which your application will be visible. So we can see like what it's written here. Choose the user profile for which this custom app will be visible in the app exchange. You know, you may specify this app as a default custom app of a profile, meaning that new users who have the profile will see this custom app when they log in for the first time. Okay, so there are two, three things written into this. One thing is written is first choose the user profile for which this custom app will be visible. So it's about the access. So if you'll check this, okay, so this they all will be able to see your application, and then you may specify this custom app as a default app. Okay, so if you want to make this app as a default application, so whenever that customer who have this particular profile will log in, they will be able to, they will they will land onto that application only. So we are working onto the system administration, and whenever we will create the standard user, and if both the users with these user profiles will log in, they will land onto that skill. I mean, whenever whichever custom application you guys are creating with name. Okay, so let's save this. Let me know once you guys are done with this.
What is the next step here? This before 10 minutes.
Sorry, Pradeep.
Yeah, next step. Before like what drop down option is there? Okay.
So you guys you created this application or it's not yet created? So still you are creating this, right?
Yes, still on it.
Okay. Rahul, can you share your screen? Maybe we will see where you are. I'll just stop sharing. Hello. Okay, so Rahul have created SAA. Okay. So, okay, so Rahul have already created this, but this JPG. Okay. Can you go back to the list? Okay, this is a document, Rahul. Can you go to the applications, apps? So you have created the document. Have you created this application also? So if you are speaking, you are still on mute, Rahul.
Yeah, I created that one, but why it's showing? The
So
problem
here
is that
you are into documents. Okay, what you can do, go on to setup. Go on setup and then search for. I think you are only sharing this browser, this
Yeah, this screen is not.
only this
screen
tab
is.
is, I mean, only this tab I can share it. Why? I don't know. Only single thing I can share, a single tab.
While sharing,
I'm not getting an option to share the whole screen, only the tab, particular tab or window.
are you not able to, you will be getting window or you will be getting a screen. See
Yeah,
if you are
screen
getting the
share.
screen
Yeah.
option.
Uh, if I should go with entire screen, it's not
Hmm.
showing with share option, only cancel it's showing. If I should go with Chrome tab, it's asking me four tabs: meeting, homepage, documents, WhatsApp, and Outlook. So I need to select a particular one, I think.
Okay, then go for the particular one and then in that browser tab only we will see what's happening.
Yeah, this particular tab I can only share.
Okay, so on this tab, search for the apps. Yeah, go to apps. Okay, here in the apps, see if your application is there or not. Your application is not there, right here.
Mm.
Okay, so press on this new button. Pradeep, just interrupt us if you
Mm.
Mm.
if wherever you are stuck. Okay,
Mhm.
so we will move forward on Rahul machine. Okay, give certain image. Click on this. So we will not be able to see that your documents, Rahul. So because we are only seeing this window. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
So on the documents, are you able to see any image?
Nothing. If I should go with file option SSA, and nothing, no, only files 20K or smaller are shown. But I already, it's showing in documents folder. That file attachment is showing with their 12 KB there in document
Okay,
folder.
okay, okay. So what you can do here, just if you have a pop-up open, just close it. And
Yeah,
then after dashboard, there is this plus button. No, click on that.
yeah, I did one. documents folder, na?
Yes. So actually in this only, okay, so you'll have to share that tab now because I'm not able to see. And go to, and share that documents, whatever
Yeah,
document you have created now, you'll have to share that again.
this one. See, I
Okay. Can you open a particular, okay, so you have created SSA folder,
yeah,
whichever
this
is
one
less than latest
image
you have
one is
created.
40 KB and SSA is a less than 20 KB.
Okay, open that SSA then. Click on that. Okay, just edit the properties here. Edit properties. Click on that. Here, check this box where it's written externally available image.
Okay.
Save this. Now, let's go back again where we are creating our application from the
Then
setup.
insert an image page.
Yes.
Yeah, now I can see that it's showing
Yeah,
there.
select that. You'll have to share your screen back again
Mhm.
because we are here.
Um,
All right. So Pradeep, where are you?
yeah,
Are you
here in this page.
at this page? Okay. Rahul, click on the next button.
Yeah, I didn't.
Okay,
Here,
yeah, drop down.
yeah, here you will have to choose which tabs you want. So here you select, I'll tell you some of the, like you can select chatter, people, move chatter on the top if you want, or you can keep people also if you think like people is the one you will be accessing more. Yeah, it's yeah, it's you who can decide as a admin. Then you can add campaigns. Just click anywhere and yeah, here campaign.
Mhm.
Then look for leads. Click on anywhere and search, press L. You will find on the L. Then you have accounts.
Accounts is there, I think, in the tab. No?
It's not there. No, this is for your application. You are selecting the tabs whichever you want it to be visible. So for
Okay.
now, home, chatter, people, campaigns, leads, and now you are selecting accounts. Then you can select for the contacts. Then opportunities, ideas.
So in that way, like how many tabs we can create or select, like a number or like based on the available tabs.
We can create n numbers of tab, but like it's recommended like to keep
Most
only.
frequent, yeah, tabs
Yeah, yeah.
using.
Then you can create ideas, forecast, contract, orders, ideas, ideas of ideas, forecast, contracts, orders, forecast, contracts, orders, yeah, contracts maybe.
Yeah, contracts added
Contracts
after
already.
accounts.
Okay, contracts you added, then orders, reports,
Invoices,
reports,
these.
Reports is not here.
RE, search for REP, press button REP.
No,
We are
it's
not getting
No,
reports here.
reports is not there. No.
refund
All
option.
right, just leave it then. Now you have a default landing tab. You are choosing as a home.
Yeah.
You can press on this next button. Okay, here when you're creating a new custom app, here your profile, these are your profiles. You can select this custom app to be visible to all profiles. So you can, on the top, you have visible.
Visible. Yeah.
Yeah, so you can check that. Click on the check. So it's visible to all the profiles and its users. You can scroll down.
And save.
Okay, so maybe you can say like for a standard user and to admin user, you want this application to be a default application. So
Okay.
there are other checkbox, two other checkbox for these two users. You can select those. Click on the save button. Okay, go scroll down into this. So here you have all the applications. Where is your that application which you just created? Cannot see that. What just happened? You created, right?
Hmm.
Reload this page.
This is the one, the profile self.
No, 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 no. Go a little bit up. Scroll up. There is this Viv user profile now, no? Viv user, click on that. Custom apps work in conjunction with, yeah. Here, scroll down. Scroll down into this. Click on this system administrator. Second last.
This one, custom metadata types.
No,
On the
system.
work.com. Yeah, system before work.com. Yeah. In the app permission, go in the app permissions. Are you able to see app permissions here?
No, not app
On
permission.
the top, object setting, app permissions.
I think you are,
Yeah,
you have
apps, app permission there.
click on that app permission.
Hmm.
Just Roj for me, I don't know. Your screen is, for you also it is frozen, Pradeep, or
Yeah, it's stopped.
not see. Can you reshare again, Rahul?
Oh, this one, this tab.
I don't know,
Your
because
screen is stopped actually. It's not
Okay,
gonna.
okay.
app permission. What is that profile? Profile. Have you selected the same profile, right?
Hmm.
No, here, scroll down into this. Actually, in the app permissions. No, 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 no. Go back
I
again. I think you will have list of profiles. In that list of profiles, Just 1 minute. System administrator. Yeah. Assigned app. Click on the assigned apps. No, no, not connected app. Assigned app.
Yeah, signed apps.
Okay. Here, scroll down. Search if your application is visible here.
No.
Control F. What is the finance is there, right? You can see. I can see the finance.
Yeah, finance is there.
Yeah. So you have created your application. So, okay. Go scroll up here. This is the default app. Scroll up. Are you scrolling? Because I cannot see
I'm at the top, at the last bit. The scroll.
what is happening. Screen is okay. On the right side, can you see in the drop down your application?
Applications.
There will be drop downs. On the right, there are different application.
Yeah.
In those application, when you will click on the drop downs, are you able to see the finance? Yeah. No, no, on the top, sales. After sell, in the sales is there, right? Click on that, sales.
Here.
Yes, click on that. Yes. Here you have finance, you see.
Hmm.
No, click back again there. You have finance in that tab. So you have created your application. You can see
Yeah.
the finance app here. Click on
Yeah.
that. Here you see you have you are landing on your application. This is your custom application which you just created.
Yeah, that was what I created. Yeah.
Okay, so you can see on your this custom application left hand side on the top you have your company logo. Okay,
Yeah,
then you
company.
have these tabs which you configured for this application. Okay, for this particular uh, application, what we will do, we will create an invoice objects like you can see after home, chatter, people, campaign, leads, like that only. We will be creating one custom tab into this. Okay.
Rajat,
And
after inserting an image, let's do it again. This exercise. एक बार you can do once again. You can just do it from your end. We can get
okay,
clarity
so
on this.
Pradeep, what about you?
Mm.
You are still stuck here, right?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I was just view his screen.
Okay, so what I will do, I will just go back again here. Where are we? Okay. So what we have to do is I have two application for now. You see, one is skill advancement.
Okay.
Let me reload it. I'll do that exercise back again. Okay. One is skill advancement, sales, service, this, and then I have another
Skill
which
advancement.
I just created, skill
Yeah.
advancement academy. Okay.
Mm.
So I want this. I want. Okay. So this is all the tabs here. You can see. All right. Okay. So what we will do, we will create a new application. So if we have to create a new application, we have to go to setup. Here we have to search apps. In the build create, we will click on this apps. Then we will press on this new button to create a new application. So we are creating a application with this our company name or organization name. Okay.
Hmm.
So that organization name we will just give here skill advancement academy as we were saying. Okay, now I can say it's new one. Okay. Now app name It will just find out with this label, it will just find out if there is any the unique name for this, okay? And it will just assign it to same description, you can say like training,
Because if we are
training.
creating the same name, it says it's already exists.
Yes, so it will not be able to create. So you can do this. Then this is this total exercise. This creating app is a 5-step process. Okay, so this was the first step where you have to choose which kind of application you want this to be. We are selecting it as a custom app. Then we are moving forward to the next step and we are giving the name of this application. Like what will be the name of this application? There is little bit information which you can just read, which says like it should be the unique. Okay. Then when you click on this next button, it will move you to the third step. Okay. So this third step is where you will choose the logo of your application. Okay. So you can just create a logo or you can just insert it and then you make sure like it should be smaller than 20 KB to get uploaded over here. So this is the third step of the fifth. So till third step, you guys are clear,
Hmm.
right?
Yes,
Hmm.
yes.
So here you have chosen your logo. You must have chosen your logo. So there we land. Then you will click on the next step. Here
This
you will
logo.
have to choose what all tabs you want for your application. So like when you are clicking on the cells, you are seeing these many tabs. When you are clicking on marketing, you are seeing other tabs, what all tabs that marketing it's related to. Okay. So likewise, what other tabs you want for this custom application. So let's say we want accounts, chatter. We want chatter because we can just chat it with anyone. Okay. Whenever we are onto this application, people, so that we can find and we can connect with them easily. And orders, because we are going to create invoices, so invoices will be creating out of orders. Let's say orders. Then what else we can do? Yeah, so it's like creating an invoice, so we can say like contracts. Before that, orders, we can have contracts. And let's say we have these many selected tabs. So are you guys are done with the selecting
Yes.
of tabs?
Yeah, this is.
Hmm.
Okay, so here we are on the fourth of the fifth,
Fourth, fifth
fourth of
step.
the 5 steps. This is where you are choosing like for these uh, tabs, which tab out of these tabs, which tab you want to be the default landing. So you can choose. I'm keeping home as a default landing tab. You can click on the next. Here, this is the fifth step. Now, in the fifth step, you want to choose which all user can have the access of this application. So when you will click on this checkbox, it will allow all the users available for your organization to access this application. Okay.
Okay.
Then there is this other checkbox which just
Default.
says like when you log in into Salesforce, like if you guys are logging right now in your Salesforce, you must be seeing sales as a default landing application. So now if you want to choose for these users, standard user or system administrator, to land onto this application which we are creating right now, you can choose these two.
Okay.
So are you guys done with this?
Mhm.
Hmm.
Done,
Yes.
right?
Hmm.
Yes.
So once you will click on this save button, your application should be created. Okay. So now you will see here, you should see like these application. You will have permission to delete, edit.
Hmm.
So this you can see, right?
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay. Here this checkbox says like it is a custom application.
Custom
Okay.
application.
All right. So for this one, I haven't given any description, so it is not
Hmm.
showing in here. So once you guys have created this, the same will be visible here in your application. So these are other application,
Hmm.
and
Now
you will
it
be
shows
able to see
two
all the
different
custom
these custom
application. Yes.
applications.
Yes.
Hmm.
So once you will click on that, you will land onto that custom application.
That custom application.
Okay. So, okay, one more thing, like, so this is the application which you have created. Okay, so you can check this, its properties, what all property this custom application have. So these all are the properties. You can just edit it from here if you want. Okay, so this is the insert an image. So with this, you can just change the existing image, like you wanted to change the logo of your application, you can do that. Then reset to default. If you'll do reset to default, I believe it should reset to our salesforce.com logo. I'm not doing that. Then if suppose you want to add a new tab in your application, so you can just select and you can always add. Okay. Then we have override users personal custom app customization. Override users personal custom app customization. Okay. So as an admin, you have this permission, like, so you have done some, okay, so you have done some customization in this. But if a user have some other user have created any application, custom application, you can override them. Like you can say like this is how you want you want them to have like this only, like such kind of tabs only to be visible in the same order. So you can keep this. It's better not to check this because it will not be helping you or any customer in any way. So that's fine. Then again, you can choose your default landing tab, which tab you want. We have 3 tabs in that, whichever you want. If you want this particular application to be visible into lightning experience, you can just click on this checkbox and it should be visible into lightning UI also at the same time. And again, we have assigned to profiles. Here, suppose later, anytime you felt like you want to change, you want to customize something in here, so you can just change it. So I will just save it because I have checked this showing lightning experience. You guys also can do. Let's save it. Okay, so this is how you can customize back again, how you can edit it.
Mhm.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. Then we have our application. We have created our application. Now we have this slide. Where is our slide? Okay, so day 16, I had here we just want I just wanted to. Okay, so I think we can start these slides from tomorrow now because we have already spent much time. So what we can do is tomorrow we will see how we can create an invoice object. So what we want, this is our invoices. Okay, so we want to insert these invoices. Okay, so for this, how we can create an invoice object and what we can do, we will see tomorrow then. If right now, if you guys have any question, we can just, you can put it
No,
forward and
now just I have, for example, if this inserting image in that area, if you are like, if we, if any file size is more than the 3 KB, that will not be considered, right? So that will not be inserted in that image in our
You will
document.
be able to, you will be, no, not 3 KB. It's less, it should be less than 20 KB actually.
Okay.
Yeah, it should be less than 20 KB. It is
So anytime
saying
we can
like,
change this image, that whenever we do
yes,
some
There is an edit or delete
edit
option.
of, yeah.
there is this edit button, I believe. Yeah, that's what we are seeing, I think. Cancel it. So this is all our application on the top, which we are seeing.
Hmm.
So when you'll click onto this, I think you will land on the same page. From here, you
Hmm.
can edit.
Edit.
Let's see. When I clicked on this reset to default, you see this one got. So if I'll just cancel it, okay, this is how it is visible. So this image, if suppose if you want to reset it, reset to default, you see, this is how it will see.
Mhm.
So this is the default image of
Yeah,
Salesforce, which will
I'm also
be,
on the same page.
yeah. And even you can just change. Okay, only files, you see it's saying like only files 20K or smaller are shown.
Shown.
Yeah, not so because we are using it for the logo. So what, so you can create the documents even with the bigger size, but you will not be able to add it as the logo for your application, because what Salesforce does is it just checks all the available documents which are into this folder, and those which have only 20K or
20
lesser than that.
size.
Yeah.
Acha, Rajat, if suppose I need to edit this logo, so which app we need to go? On which app we can edit that? If suppose if that logo
This
is of
one.
more than 20-40 KB, so on which app we need to go to edit that one?
Okay, so there are multiple application which you can use. So that is one you can use for Canva,
Canva.
and one you can use for, I don't use Canva much, but sometimes I use. And there is this other application which is Pixlr.
Pixel. Okay.
So you can go to Pixlr.
Okay.
So you see, I have created these many for
Yeah.
these many. Even I think I was creating, like you see, this one also I was creating to give you guys overview. Okay, then suppose this is the one. Okay, so here, if you want to, this one actually you can just configure. So this is what this is X. I think you will need it to be. There are two kind of editor into Pixlr. One is X, one is E. So this is E. Suppose this is E. I think E is advanced one or something. Okay, so here you can see you can select the size,
Okay. Now.
height and width. You can just choose the pixel, whichever you want. This is for now, this aspect is fixed. You can choose to be free, and then you can just select how you want.
Okay. So
Okay.
from here we can, I mean, cut the uh, size into a smaller KB or bigger KB.
Yes,
Okay.
you can do that. Okay, anything else with this?
No, we are good for this.
It's good now.
Right. So tomorrow we will see how we will create a new tab, and in that tab, how we can uh, like how we can create a new object and how we can design our object tomorrow. We'll see. So you guys are joining tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
yeah, tomorrow.
Vijayadashmi.
Hmm.
That's why I'm asking.
Uh, Joining. Or if you have, do you have some work or are you
No,
available?
I am on. I mean, I have office from office. There is leave, but I just wanted to check yours availability because I don't have any plan for tomorrow.
No, we also
If
don't have. We would be in home.
all right, then we will do this tomorrow.
Okay.
If you guys have to, you guys will be comfortable this time only, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If you guys have
Pradeep
any
और
plan,
Pradeep, you would
something,
like to go early और क्या कुछ है ऐसा कुछ
कल के लिए or like for tomorrow or for
for
any time?
tomorrow?
only for tomorrow, yeah.
Tomorrow, ठीक है, we can go a little early also, no issues. क्योंकि
तो कल
I'll
ऑफिस कर रहा है तुम कल ऑफिस जाएगा क्या एकदम छुट्टी ले रहा है आधा जब ऑफिस में कल पूछ रहा था
वही देखता हूँ अगर ऑफिस डिसाइड नहीं किया बट we can log a little bit earlier
ठीक है
also.
जैसा होगा ना मैसेज कर देना सुबह में
हाँ.
और ग्रुप में कि आई मीन वी कैन डू लिटिल बिट अर्लियर
Okay.
अगर पॉसिबल है
Early in the sense like 1 or 2 in between that 2 बजे
We yes, 2 o'clock, not that early, but if you guys are okay with 2 o'clock, we can do that.
अच्छा 2:30 ठीक है 2:30 will try.
2:30 or 3 also fine, or
Mhm.
even 3:30 if you want to keep it on the same timing. That also works.
ठीक है भैया will inform you of the
All
time.
right. Yeah.
श्योर
Okay. Thank you guys.
थैंक्स
Thanks.
भैया